Uy! Welcome to our exploration of Multimedia and Information and Communication Technology, or ICT. In today's digital age, these two fields are intertwined, shaping how we communicate, learn, and interact with the world around us.
Multimedia combines different content forms such as text, audio, image, animation, and video, operating engaging and interactive experience. It captures our attention and enhances our understanding by appealing to multiple senses.
On the other hand, ICT encompasses the technologies that facilitate communication and the management of information. Together, multimedia and ICT are revolutionizing education, making learning more accessible and effective.
Join us as we dig deeper into the benefits of multimedia and ICT in the 21st century and discover how they are transforming ourselves.
In the 21st century, the integration of multimedia and ICT has brought about significant change in our various aspects of our lives. Let's explore the key of the benefits.
Firstly, it enhances our learning experience. Multimedia tools such as videos and interactive content motivate students to learn by caring to different learning styles. The active engagement helps improve retention and understanding.
ICT has transformed education by providing access to resources and learning opportunities beyond traditional classrooms. Students from various backgrounds can now benefit from quality education.
Multimedia enhances communication by allowing for richer interaction, whenever through video calls, social media, or collaborate platforms. Sharing ideas has never been easier.
Economic growth. The use of ICT fosters economic development by broadening the reach of technologies, enabling businesses to operate more efficiently and connect with global markets.
As we embrace the benefits of the multimedia and ICT, we're not just enhancing our learning and communication, we're also shaping our more connected and informed society, and the future is bright and the possibilities are endless.
One, two, three, go.
Welcome to
Tagam.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Multimedia combines different contexts from contents.
On the other hand, ICT
Revolutionizing
Two, three, go.
Join us as we dig deeper.
Sige!
in the 21st century, the
Go.
and that
ICT has transformed education provide
My bad? That's all you have to say? What about I'm sorry? Ever hear of those words before? They're the same words the doctor said when he handed you to your mother.
Go.
121
21st. Go.
and the 21st century.
Nani?